So we got the NextBase 322GW dash cam. Heard a lot of great reviews about NextBase, so we're gonna check it out. We got this for around $200. This is going to be in my Type R. Comes with a nice warning sticker to put on your car. Got a nice color quick start guide in here. MicroSD card. Instructions on how to mount it to the windshield. How to position it. Camera comes nicely packaged. Touchscreen, charge for 2 hours before using, and download the app. Power, MicroSD. Got a 12-volt cigarette lighter, really nice long cable here. It's got a built-in fuse, and that is the power to the camera. We got the mount here, 3M sticky tape will mount to there. Wow, it's magnetic. Cool. This will stick to your windshield, and you can position it however you want. Standard USB cable, and we got an additional sticky mount. Probably for a body panel, if you want to lower the headliner or pop some A-pillar panels in case you want to tuck the power wire. Got my Anchor charger. We have it plugged in, so now we can go through the settings. So 1080, 60 FPS, the highest resolution and frame rate. That's what we want. The more we're going to see on the road, less motion blur, we'll be able to capture more detail. And it's going to, as a result, take up more storage on the SD card. So definitely get an appropriate size SD card. I would get a minimum of 64 gigs just to be safe. Determine the length of each video. So you can do 1 minute intervals, 2 minute intervals, or 3 minute intervals. Let's go with 2 as the standard. Audio, definitely want to have the microphone on. And exposure, we'll just set that at 0 for now. Timestamp, absolutely necessary in case you do get into an accident. You know exactly the time and day that it was recorded. GPS stamp, that's also a good way to indicate where you were when it happened. How fast you were traveling in the video. I'm sure it just says the type of camera you were using. Dual files, so you have duplicate files in case one has an issue or deleted by accident. License plate. I guess that's it, to input your own license plate. G sensor, that's cool. We'll leave it at medium. Time lapse, that off. So you can have SOS. That will connect to your phone in case you do like get into an accident. It will call emergency services. And then we can also hook up a rear camera with that other USB. Parking mode is great, so when you turn the car off, it will still record video even though you are not in your vehicle. That's great to have in case someone hits your car in a parking lot or keys your car or tries to attempt to break into it. That's great to have. We'll turn alerts on. Time zone, time of date, country, language. We already did that. We have to change the time and date though. Speed unit should be miles per hour. We're in the US. Auto power off. I like the device sound, we can leave that. System info, that's the model. Battery status and all that. SD card. And then you could format SD card to delete everything on there and then reset the default if wanted. So this will need to connect to our phone in order to do that. And that's it. Quick setup and unboxing of the NextBase 322GW dash camera.